YouTube. It's been a while since we've posted anything. Just got done quick washing this Audi S4 here. As you can see, Minnesota winter is sort of coming to an end. It's about 42 degrees out, which, hey, for March 1st, that's pretty good, man. That's pretty good. But I started this up yesterday. We'll see if we can start it up again if the battery's not dead. That'll be pretty sweet. I got another clip I did yesterday of a quick little 3200 two-step little clutch drop launch. But yeah, this might be stone cold dead, so we'll see if it starts or not. If it doesn't, we're shit out of luck. This is the high compression GSR Integra Type R pistons. Skunk 2 Pro 2 head. Everything done to it. Oh, it's so low. Ah, we fucked up. Well, I'm gonna give it one more. If I put the jump box on, it will start. But let's see. Oh no, she's dead, boys. Damn. Well, I'll fill in the clip. But yeah, I think I'm gonna turbo this bad boy coming soon here. Turbo it, get a different steering rack. The one in it has some play, some flop, like $100. But steering rack, rims, tires, upper and lower control arms, alignment. All right, everybody, I lied. Let me see if I can start this with this jump box here. Get a little shot of the motor there. Gotta get also a catch can. You pretty much built this thing on a somewhat of a budget, obviously battery relocate, but for what it is, I've raced my buddy's Fiesta ST, which it's not all that, but let's just say I whooped him up on any and every attempt from digs and rolls, and on some crappy shitbox tires, not even performance. So I mean, there's a lot I could squeeze out of this. It most likely needs a retune. But I'll get into more details on that in a minute. But let's see if this jump box will start this up for us and, go from there, I guess. All right. These pretty cars right here. Freaking sweet. All right. Attempt 2 with some juice. Let's get the little focus action there. Oh, we might. Oh. There she is. There she is. There she is. E85 likes to get a little bit warm. A little bit rough. She'll warm up. Don't worry. There it is. All right. That motherfucker started. Well. Let's pitch this fucker outside. It smells like an alcohol brewery up in here. Oh. All right, there she is. All right, let's take a look at this motor here. Well, there you have it, guys. She needs a little love. Nothing's built overnight. Got a nice rye wire harness. RC injectors. Pretty fucking stout. Yeah, so I'm assuming this thing is, if not 12, 13 flat easily, with a little bit of shit here or there, tires and suspension, but it has enough power. Motor actually was in a fully loaded 94 two-door EX, and that thing with fully loaded ran 13 threes consistently. A little bit of a lighter car. would imagine it would do a little bit well, you know, especially a little better driving. I suppose you could probably dip into the 12s, but to solidify that, why not put 5 psi or so to this? I've never turboed anything, so yeah, it's gonna be fucking epic, I guess. But that's I think what I have in store for this thing. Turbo kit tune, a little bit of suspension, working tire, ready to roll. I mean, got the E85, got Integra Type R pistons, LS rods, port and polished head, got a little S4 action too. This is just the daily. This fucker could easily do some crazy shit, but